Panasonic Microwave. This 1250-watt high-power, 2.2 cubic foot capacity black countertop microwave delivers a seamless stream of cooking power for even cooking and delicious flavor. Inverter Technology with Turbo Defrost. Patented inverter technology generates a seamless stream of power and delivers consistent, evenly prepared food without overcooking. Advanced Inverter Turbo Defrost speeds up defrosting time. Power source 120 volts, 60 Hz. Power consumption 1460 W. Large family size. This countertop microwave with 16.5-inch turntable is thinner, lighter and more efficient, allowing you to devote less space to electronics and more to interior capacity. Internal dimensions, HXWXD, 10 and 15/16 inch by 18 and 7/16 inch by 18.5 inch. Smart cooking settings with Genius Sensor. Built-in automatic Genius Sensor adjusts power and times based on different foods. Other advantages include 14 preset menu items, quick minute timer, delay start and child safety lock. Keep warm feature. This inverter microwave keeps soups, gravies or desserts warm and fresh until ready to serve. Clock. 12H. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Was so thankful to find this Panasonic microwave. It's just like the one ID had for years, same white, black design, same extra large size. It's just updated. I love this microwave. It's so large and I love to cook and I use it a lot. I cook frequently for large get-togethers, often 20 to 80 folks. So, I have to have the big microwave so I can put in large cooking vessels. My last one finally bit the dust and I panicked when I couldn't find a large one. So, went online and immediately was able to find this and was literally overjoyed it was the same Panasonic big microwave. Then, I was shocked when I ordered it and in just a few days. Wasn't even out of a microwave but for a few days. This microwave is even better than the last one. My prior one lasted me for about 25 years, this one will more than likely outlive me. Great quality, reliability and economical purchase.